chart using LibreOffice. To start, click on LibreOffice in your dock and choose a spreadsheet. We're going to leave cell A1 blank. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see this a bit more. And you're going to start in cell A2 and start typing the days of the week starting with today. And then in cell B1, you're going to write high temps and cell C1 low temps. We're going to be charting the weather for a week. I've already typed this out ahead of time. Please don't copy my answers because I made this a few weeks ago and it's not going to be current information anymore. When you're done typing all of the temperatures in, you're going to highlight from the very first cell, A1, down to the last cell that you typed information in. Don't grab extra columns or rows because that messes up your graph. When you've highlighted just from cell A1 down to your last cell with information, you're going to choose the chart wizard. This is the chart wizard. It automatically fills in most of your chart for you, but we're missing a few pieces. And we can add them under step 4, chart elements. Click on that. And for the title, give your chart a title. I'm going to call mine This Week's Weather. And then for the subtitle, type your name. And then press the finish button. Now we're almost ready to print this, but there's one thing that you have to do. I don't want to print this whole page with all of this information on it. So I'm going to click in one of the empty cells. And then I'm going to click back on my chart so that's the only thing highlighted. It has these green dots around the edges. When just that is highlighted, I'm going to go to File and choose Print. I'm going to make sure I have the correct printer chosen. I don't want the color printer, I want the computer lab printer. And then I notice that I still have my information that I typed in as well as my chart, which is kind of being cut off partway through and the other parts showing up on page 2. I don't want that. What I want to choose is selected cells. That's the only thing I'm going to print right now. And when I do that, because my chart is highlighted, it's just printing my chart. So when I have all of that selected, I'm going to choose Print and then turn your assignment into me, and I will let you know the next step of today's lesson.